this week's episode of Out and About with Ali. Las Vegas for me has always been the entertainment capital. Back in the 1950s, we had headliners like Frank Sinatra, Elvis, Wayne Newton, so many gorgeous men. But all of those fabulous men were backed by stunning, tall, sparkly showgirls. And those showgirls soon became the main attraction. And today, I get to live out my dream of being a showgirl here at Showgirl Bootcamp.
It's a 2-hour experience held at a stunning venue here in Las Vegas, filled with chandeliers and sparkles everywhere. It was created by 2 original showgirls. Now let's meet the producer, Miss Dinguette.
Showgirl Bootcamp is a little product of our original plan to keep showgirls alive. We decided because regular people want to know about showgirls, we said what better way than to actually give them a day in feathers and rhinestones. And that's how it started.
As we can see, there's rhinestones everywhere, and I cannot wait to cover myself in them.
We're going to coach you with them.
I'm ready, and I brought some friends along to join in the experience.
Are you ready for this?
Are you ready? Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Boom.
I'm in. Ready for my before.
This is our pre-showgirl photo shoot before we transform.
Here we go. Showgirl Bootcamp. This is how we warm up.
The first stage is makeup, and I was taught by the original showgirl herself, Stacy.
Feel it. You're starting to levitate a little bit too. So girls, have a look at this. Is the transition.
Oh, she went underneath too.
They teach us all the secret showgirl techniques and makeup tips.
This is the transformation.
Yeah, like on that thin line, like the seam of it.
How's that?
Yeah, they're big. She's good like
They're hitting my eyelids.
Really easy to put on though.
But I got them. So this is the last piece to the makeup puzzle. And we were told more glitter, right girls?
More glitter.
More glitter. How do we look?
And now for the best part. I'm adorned in feathers and rhinestones.
Look at me go! Cute! This is my dream coming true right here at Showgirl Bootcamp. And there we go! Okay, I'm ready. This is one by one, step by step. I'm becoming a showgirl! Yay! It's happening.
We are taught the showgirl pose.
I'm about to go into the next phase, which is how to do the walk. I got this.
Now for the most important stage. We learn the showgirl walk, and we do it in heels. Let me tell you, this is no walk in the park, but ex-showgirl teacher Stacy made it very straightforward and so much fun. And I didn't fall over. We did it!
Well, I'm sure you can tell that I have had an absolutely fabulous time becoming a showgirl, literally living my dream. Vegas is quite a popular bachelorette spot, and today we have our gorgeous sisters having a birthday, but I think that this is where everyone needs to come and have so much fun, right? Isn't that the idea?
There's no reason why a group of women can't come and do Showgirl Bootcamp. No matter where you come from or what your interests or your likes are, everyone at the end of the day cannot leave here without this amazing feeling in their heart. 2 hours, we have resurrected these women from just regular women to the showgirls that they are, and every woman has this little showgirl inside them, and it's our job to pull that out.
This is what Showgirl Bootcamp is all about, bringing gals and sisters and friends together to become showgirls and have the best time. And let me ask, so far, are you having fun?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And do you feel fabulous?
Yes.
Now strike that showgirl pose.
You know what, for a birthday present, it was a surprise, and it was unexpected, and it's not something I would have thought myself, you know, of doing, but it has been so much fun. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Absolutely. I mean, you think, you know, what's more iconic in Vegas other than slot machines are the showgirls. But, you know, right now, we're not really going out and watching them, so be a part of the whole Vegas experience and become one yourself.
This is definitely an amazing experience, must do.
Yes.
So much fun.
So much fun.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I think it's safe to say that all of us had a fabulous time here today at Showgirl. Do you all feel like showgirls?
Yes. Showgirls for life.
And will you tell all your friends to come to Vegas to do it?
Yes. Absolutely.
I actually feel like this Out and About with Ali is so far my absolute favorite because I'm a showgirl!